Ang nangyari kay Shelo Magno? Well, she is one of the better kakampings actually. Even though if we do not see eye to eye, there are some causes that we agree to each other like corruption, diba? It's nothing wrong naman if you rally against corruption. We support you for that. But in the guise of national budget rally, impeach Sara movement? Wait, anong kinalaman ni VP Sara sa national budget? Di ba may questions ka against the BICAM blank reports? Walang kinalaman si VP Sara doon. Sobrang deceitful ng call against corruption nyo dito, pero kay Inday Sara kayo nakafocus? Ano yun? Di ba yung corruption na nangyayari dito is nasa House, nasa Congress, kasi sa kanila nagsisimula yung budget, nasa Congress at sa Senate? Responsibilidad nila yung BICAM report na hindi ma-reconcile yung mga blank items, pero pinirmahan ng iba? Sino dapat ang responsible doon? Di ba yung Congress, yung Congress leadership, sina Zaldico, especially si Martin Romualdez, bakit hindi mo siya ma-call out? Bakit ka puro Inday? Tapos nung nabisto ka, you included his picture as if naman it will change anything. And this is your call to action? Editing the poster? It doesn't change the fact na walang kinalaman si VP Sara sa budget. Tapos ngayon sabihin mo Congress in general kasama si VP Inday that you cannot even call out directly Martin Romualdez. Oh, previously you did. Pero ngayon with this fiasco, did you? Akala ko ba you reject all forms of corruption, Shelo Magno, at magkakampi tayo doon. Sobrang sipag mo nga mag-vlog about it pero yung pinaka-corrupt, hindi mo ma-call out? Sa totoo lang ha, walang graft issue sa 125 million confidential funds. It's still under audit. And 73 million of that is notice for disallowance. It's not automatic corruption. They have time to explain and gather evidences. Kayo lang nagsasabi na corruption yun. Ang totoong corruption, Shelo Magno, yung mga blank items sa budget bicameral na pinamumunuan ni Martin Romualdez. Bakit hindi mo ma-call out yun? Bakit parang soft ng heart mo sa kanya? And now, maybe because you don't like the Dutertes or perhaps you hate them, you're turning a blind eye to the facts. Look at this. Sa'yo, na si VP Sara na nag-call out yan before ng mga budget insertions, mga blank items, way back September. At anong sagot mo? Kinopya lang ni Inday Sara si Kong Ungab? Kailan ba nag-expose si Kong Ungab? Recently lang, di ba? January? Alam mo, Shelo Magno, sayang ka lang professor sa UP but you turned a blind eye to the facts. Maybe because of your hatred? Pero na-appreciate ko na sana yung hatred mo against corruption pero selective talaga Tapos nagbubulag-bulagan ka sa unmodified opinion ni VP Sara? Di ba you were once praising and very vocal about VP Lenis unqualified opinion? Hindi ka na nagiging objective kahit pinapakitaan ka ng facts like this. You were once vocal praising VP Leni for receiving unmodified opinion from COA, di ba? Now, VP Sara received the same similar audit findings, then you suddenly dismiss the significance? Nakalimutan mo na ba yung meaning ng unmodified or unqualified opinion as a UP professor? Or it's just simply inconvenient for your narrative? So, Shelo Magno, pag crusader against corruption yung peg mo, huwag selective. Dapat lahat. Dapat yung mga malalaki. Hindi ka nakafocus kay VP Inday kasi wala naman talagang corruption kay VP Inday. After mong ma-call out about that January 31 rally na sa totoo lamang na pro Martin Romualdez naman talaga yan, pinalitan mo yung picture. Hindi ka masyadong halata. Kung totoong anti-corruption crusader ka, mag-start ka dyan sa organizer, Akbayan Party List, di ba? They have a representative in the Congress and there is a journal that they voted in favor of ratification of the BICAM report, including the 17.3 billion increase in the budget of the Congress. Naalala nyo to? Yung 17.3 billion increase sa Congress na doble, more than double actually. Nasa Congress yung Akbayan Party List, di ba? So they ratified that? And I remember, Shelo Magno, that you called the 2025 national budget as the most corrupt budget in the entire history. Sa'yo nang galing yun nakita ko yun So, saan ba nang galing yung budget? Sino bang gumawa ng budget? Sino ba ang may mga insertions sa bicameral report? Involved ba si VP Inday doon? Bakit yung rally nyo is a call for Inday Sara to resign? So, dapat magsimula kayo sa organizer, Akbayan Party List, tapos kay Martin Romualdez na hindi mo ma-call out, we don't know the reason why. Kasi yan yung punot dulo ng pinaka-corrupt na budget na sinasabi mo. Kaso mga kasama mo yung organizers, di ba? So, I don't know. I admired you before, to be honest. I mean, I admired you for calling out PhilHealth and other yung mga corruption. Pero ngayon, ewan ko, parang na-uncover na yung totoong intention mo na you're just like the other typical kakampings. I thought you were the better kakamping.